Let's talk about assignment 3, brainstorming on your discussion board. Now, the first thing you should pay attention to is that this is a discussion. So that means you have to post and then you have to respond to your peers in the discussion. It is wise to post your discussion post a couple days before so that y'all aren't all scrambling in the last hour before it's due. Okay, so think of it as your post being due 2 days prior to the due date, and then your response to others being due by the due date. Okay, now the purpose is to practice steps of the writing process, from pre-writing to editing. So I am having you brainstorm, which is one form of pre-writing. Let's look in here. Click on assignment 3, discussion board, brainstorming. And what you see first is a sample of what I'm looking for. Now, not necessarily what it's saying, but what it looks like, okay? So you should have about this many ideas. Notice it's a grocery list. It's not sentences. And then after you finish, 10 minutes to do all of this, go back and highlight the things you might want to move forward with. Now, you cannot do this until you have read the essay writing prompt so that you know what you are trying to discover about pre-writing. You're discovering your ideas for essay 1. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Here's another sample for you to take a look at, and here's where you will submit yours. So we'll go ahead and click on it. We'll click Create Thread, and this is the actual assignment. Okay, again, here's the sample for this essay. So you have to have read Quinlan's article before you try and do this. Okay? Notice your post is due 2 days before. Step 1, do your brainstorming. Okay. Step 2, highlight ideas. Step 3, for all discussions, make sure to respond to 2 friends' posts. Okay, and then return back and see what they've said. And after you've responded to your friends, I'll respond to you and give you some feedback to make sure you're on the right track as well for your essay 1. Okay, you have to respond in 100 to 150 words and include a word count. Okay, and here's what you're to say to your friends. Okay, that's it. All right, so you can respond if you want to make a video or something else. You don't have to do it just typing it out, but you certainly can. If you don't like to type, you can handwrite it, take a picture, and upload it, okay? Just remember, as we move forward, if you take a picture of a handwritten thing, I can't comment specifically on your work, okay? I can make a general note, but I can't point out specifics on a photo. Blackboard won't let me. So again, the purpose here is to make sure we learn how to begin the writing process.